Hi, this is the first video that I'm making, so don't complain about the quality of the video or my voice or my English. My English is not the best. Yeah, and this piece of metal you see here, this one I will take and make some table frame. I want to have this table like a bar table in my kitchen at home. So I will take this piece of metal. Yeah, it's too heavy, overkill, but that's what I have. And I will convert it to some kind of uh, base of the frame because this is heavy and will be more stable. And also I will make it nice and smooth, no sharp edges, child friendly, so no one will be injured by the table. So this is what is my idea, to make the top of the, it will be top of this foot. So it will be no sharp edges in here. It will be like a smooth round edge. And here in the bottom, it doesn't matter if it is a sharp edge because this one will stay on the floor. So no one will hit in here. But this is the point. So I will cut like that, cut out this piece and then just bend over this top to the bottom and weld the edges on the both sides and also weld this edge, and then I will sand it so it will be smooth, no sharp edges like I told first. I will cut it out and see how it will be. Okay, so hopefully this one will be nice bend after I grind a little bit of the edges and try to hammer it down, this piece that left on the top. Okay, I was trying to bend it, but no way. This metal is like it is, yeah, 5 millimeters thickness, and it just don't want to go over, so that I will try to do. I will cut some lines on the top so it will be easier to bend it over. Okay, this is not exactly that shape I want, but it's pretty close. And like you see here, it's nice into, and I will weld here, and then I will punch it, this piece into this piece after I weld this small piece, so it will be easier to bend it when this one is connected together. Yeah, and this is how my phone holder looks like. I just made it. Pretty special, but it works. And this is how my welder looks like. It's Sharman DigiMig 200 HIT, and it works pretty well. I bought it a couple of months ago and have tried some pieces to weld. I think it's good machine for money. Okay, so this is how it came out, and I'm pretty happy. Probably I will weld this guts in here and grind it nice and smooth, so it will be nice. This is the second one, so I cut both of the sides same. So now I will bend over this one to the edge and weld it, and then we will see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like now. It came pretty good. I'm happy with the result. You see, this is the 2 pieces of steel of square tubing with the ends that have no sharp edges, and that will be the bottom of the table. It will be this piece that's standing on the floor. And this is another square tubing that will be part of the table. This is 4 by 4 centimeters and 1.5 millimeter of thickness, and this bottom one is 6 by 6 centimeters and thickness is 5 millimeters. Yeah, this bottom ones I used so thick because that's I had, and also it will help to have more weight in the bottom, so the table will be more stable. And this is pretty much how my table frame will looks like. It will be more pieces on it, but for now I'm making this so I know how it will look like in real. And yes, I'm almost done. So this is how my table looks like. It's yeah, some welds is better than others, but it will hold for my use. You see, some welds is better, some is not so good, but this one happened because my welding machine just shut down. And yeah, so now it's time to paint. And when I'm done with painting, then I will take it home, and I will go and buy some wood plate so I can put it on the top. And yeah, if you're wondering how I will fix the top of the table on this frame, I will drill some holes like straight to both of the sides, all around the perimeter, and then I will drill a bigger hole from under side so I can come through with some tool to screw it fast from inside. And then I will put some gummy or plastic props, plugs, so it will cover the hole under. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you will subscribe and ask for more videos, because I have plans to make more videos of other stuff I'm making. If it was interesting to watch, just give thumb up, or yeah.